Alexa knows that I don't like when she drips water, so let's see what she does when I catch her dripping water. Alexa, I told you not to be dripping water, mamas. No, give me that bottle. Give it to me. Hey, here. Give me the bottle. Don't drip water. Give me the bottle. Give it to me. Hey, come here. No, don't push me. No, I'm not going over there. Give me the bottle. Again, Alexa, dripping water. Alexa, don't give me that. Alexa, give me the bottle. No, I told you not to drip water. Oh, give me that. Give it to me. Come here. Alright, I think the girls are dripping water down the hallway. Hey, are you guys dripping water? Who was it? You weren't doing it? Alexa, where are you going? I saw you guys. Don't blame it on Sophia.